Hello and welcome again to my channel. So this is the session where I usually come to show you my weekly analysis, and this week I'm here again to show you what I'm looking for to trade this week, most especially on GBPUSD and EURUSD. And before we go to that, then I will want us to quickly look at the DXY, that is the dollar index, to give us direction on what we'll be looking at on all those currency pairs that I mentioned earlier. Okay, so if you look at this dollar index now, the DXY, you could see that we are making higher high here, higher high, higher high. After we pull back to this support, we expect the price to continue to move up again. But now at this level, we have a rejection and the price have started dropping. So since we have a rejection at this point now, then the next point we'll be looking at is this 104.139, because this is the next support we have here. Since the price could not pull up again, then the next support we'll be looking at, the only thing that can hold the price that we'll be looking at is this support here. So that means the US dollar is getting weak. That is what it means. And the only support that we have here that can hold it is this line that I have here. So the US dollar is getting weak now. So since US dollar index is getting weak, that means on GBPUSD and EURUSD, we'll be looking at buy opportunities. So having said that, now let's go and look at the EURUSD and GBPUSD, and let's see what opportunity we could get there for a buy, since DXY is selling. So if you look at my screen now, you will see that the GBPUSD bounce of this was rejected from this support here, and since then we've been making from this April 24, Monday 22nd April 24, we have been making an higher high up to this level. Then we have a pullback to this resistance here, and the price used the place as support. You can see we have a resistance here, we have break of structure here, and it uses it now as a support. This is a resistance. Now the price is using it as a support. So now, since the price has used that place as support, so that means we have a buy continuation. So since we have a buy continuation, and if you look at this place now, we have a double bottom here. That means this price has been reversed from here, and we also have a counter trend line break. So since we have a double bottom here, that is a reversal, that we have a buy continuation, and we have taken out this neckline from here. So that means we are going to continue to buy. So now the price has taken out this structure that we have here, this supply that we have here. Since the price has taken out this supply that we have here, that means the next supply we are going to be targeting is this particular place we are looking at here. But before we get that, what do we need to do? How do we get our opportunity, a buy opportunity? We need to wait for the price to pull back to a support, because we can't just jump into buy here, because if you jump into buy here, as soon as you jump in, the price might reverse. So what we need to be looking out for now is buy opportunity. But before we can buy, we need to let the price pull back to a support, either to this place. Okay, if the price consolidates at this level, then we can jump in at a breakout to buy to this place. But if the price try to pull back, then we wait for it to pull back to this support here. Then from this support, we look for confirmation before we buy. When it pull back to this support, doesn't mean that we have to jump in immediately. We still need to look out for confirmation, because if it fails to hold here, we have another support here, so that we can still look out for. So for this week now, I'm waiting for price to pull back, either consolidate here, then I'll enter at a breakout to buy to this place, or a pull back to this place then I'll look for my buy opportunity from here to this place. So that is what I'm looking at on GBPUSD. Now let's go to EURUSD. To look at EURUSD now, the same thing happened here. You know, we have been in an uptrend here. The price has been making a higher high from here up to this level. Then we have a retracement back to this place. So now that we are on this support now, I plotted this support on daily, but I'm on 4 hours right now. So if you don't know how to plot your support and resistance, or your demand and supply, your levels generally, you can go and watch my video on that, on how to plot your levels. So since we are back at this level, you can see that we have a double tap on this first tap, this second one, which form a double bottom, and I look at this place as our neckline. So since the neckline is broken and the price pull back to this place, that's why we are seeing us, making an uptrend. So the price is at another supply level now. So now what we need to be looking out for right now is to sell back to this place. So for this week now, since the price has broken this structure, we have a change of trend here. From here, the price pull back and give us a buy opportunity up to this supply. So from this supply now, we expect price to pull back to a support, and the closest support that we have is this place. This is the support that we have. So if it fails to hold here, then we'll be looking at this demand here. But if you look at the trend line that I have here, you can see that if the price pull back to this support, it's going to give us a confluence with this trend line that I have here. Okay, and the price could continue buying, from this particular level to this place. But if it fails here, then it comes to this place, then we'll buy from there. But at this particular supply, does it mean that you cannot buy from here to this place? Of course you can. Sell rather. Of course you can sell. If you see a sell opportunity, a sell confirmation from here, you can sell to this particular support here. Then from this place, you look for a buy opportunity. So what I'm looking at this week on EURUSD is a sell from here to this place, then I buy from here to this place and to this place. And if the price fails to hold here for a buy, I wait for it here to buy to this place and to this place and to this place. So that is what I'm looking out for this week.